I am going to school.
I am going to school.
Can I drink water?
Can I drink water?
Can I sharpen my pencil?
Can I sharpen my pencil?
May I come in?
May I come in? Excuse me.
Excuse me. Can I throw this?
Can I throw this?
Can I go to the toilet, please?
Can I go to the toilet, please?
I am sorry, I am late.
I am sorry, I am late.
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
Stand up.
Stand up.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Come up the board.
Come up the board.
Look at the board.
Look at the board.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Open the window.
Open the window.
Take your exercise book.
Take your exercise book.
Open the book.
Open the book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Read this book.
Read this book.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Take your pencil.
Take your pencil.
Write in your copy.
Write in your copy.
Draw in your book.
Draw in your book.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Erase the board.
Erase the board.
Can I answer this question?
Can I answer this question?
Copy it down.
Copy it down.
Write it down.
Write it down.
Read out loudly.
Read out loudly.
Don't write a pen.
Don't write a pen.
Try writing neatly.
Try writing neatly.
Revise this chapter.
Revise this chapter.
Sir, I have a question.
Sir, I have a question.
Take out your English book.
Take out your English book.
Let me check the homework.
Let me check the homework.
Yes, sir, we have done.
Yes, sir, we have done.
He is pulling my bag.
He is pulling my bag.
I am feeling hungry.
I am feeling hungry.
Let me check your uniform.
Let me check your uniform.
Turn over the page.
Turn over the page.
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
I forget my homework.
I forget my homework.
This is important for the exam.
This is important for the exam.
Now get in line.
Now get in line.
I am sorry, I did not hear.
I am sorry, I did not hear.
Can you explain that again?
Can you explain that again?
What's for lunch today?
What's for lunch today?
Our teacher is very intelligent.
Our teacher is very intelligent.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the light.